Start menu not working after a Windows 11 update can be attributed to various factors. Some common reasons are corrupted system files. During the update process, system files essential for the Start menu might become corrupted. It can also be caused by incomplete update installation. If the update installation is incomplete or interrupted, it can lead to issues with system components, including the Start menu. Problems with the Windows search service can also affect the Start menu's functionality. Here are some common troubleshooting steps to fix the Start menu not working after updating your system. Select Task Manager. Click on More Details. Click on File, then select Run New Task. Select Run this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Press OK. Now type the following command. Wait for Windows to be repaired. First press the Windows key plus R. Type the following command. Press OK. Now your Start menu should work again. First press Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Select Task Manager. Locate the Windows Explorer service. Right-click it. Select End Task. Click on File. Select Run New Task. Type Explorer.x. Press OK. Now open your Start menu. First press Alt-Control-Delete. Select Task Manager. Click on More Details. Click on File and select Run New Task. Select Run this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Press OK. Type sfc/scan now, then press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit then present.